Hey you guys, so I'm gonna start doing daily vlogging so you can keep up with what I'm up to every day, almost every day, depending if I'm lazy or not. So today I am going to do a DIY shelf. So I'm gonna try to make a little purse rack, like a little vintage corner in my room. I don't know, but I'm gonna take you along with the journey. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like now, and I'm gonna show you the process of what I'm doing. So here's what it looks like now. As you can see, it's very unorganized. Some of my purses are just like, you know, chilling where they shouldn't be. And there's my own little vintage, my old little vintage phone. And underneath it, it's just a little jewelry holder I have. So I kind of want to make my own shelves, have it look a little bit more fancy, and remove these pictures. My sister got me those pictures, but I need to find somewhere else to put them because I want this area to be like a whole little fancy, like little purse. Like, I don't know, like a YouTuber little purse rack, you know, I got inspo from. I feel like my inspo is very almost Gabby-ish, Gabby DiMartino-ish, or Freddie My Love-ish. So I kind of want to have it almost like that, and also Tanya. Yeah, so I just want something along like pretty pink YouTuber vibes. Yeah, so let me show you the process of the wood. I feel like I talked enough over here. Okay, so whew, a little hard to breathe. So I am wearing an N95 because I'm going to be dealing with spray paint. I'm in my garage now, and if you're going to do this project, I recommend wearing safety goggles and definitely a mask of any sort because you don't want to be inhaling those fumes. And right now I'm not wearing safety goggles because I don't know, I'm taking my own risk right now. So like I suggest you wear safety goggles. But I just feel like if I have safety goggles plus my glasses on, I can't see. Like it just looks cloudy. I feel like safety goggles are not clear whatsoever. So yeah, wear safety goggles and a mask. So the color I'm using for my shelves, it's called Heirloom White by this brand, Painter's Touch Rust-Oleum, made with double cover technology. It's okay. I feel like it would work better. Whew, I'm out of breath in this mask. I feel like it would work better if it wasn't so cold, so I recommend keeping it in your house first and not leaving it outside in the garage. So I'm gonna show you guys my process. Oh, and the dimensions as well. So I mean, my dimensions really don't matter too much because it's more like a to each his own type of thing. But I did 7 inches by 27 inches and then 7 inches by 22 inches on the smaller ones. So yeah, so that's what I did. So I'm just gonna clean off the little fragments that attached to them because I left these out a couple days. And yeah, I just lined my garage floor with some old newspaper, and yeah, I'm gonna get started. So I am not a spray painting expert. I'm pretty sure I'm doing it the wrong way. Like I saw videos, he says like go in a straight line and just keep going, but honestly, I just want it done, so I'm just like, shh, that's how I do it. So I'd probably look up actual videos on what to do and not listen to me on the technique of spray painting. So yeah. It looks so good. Jeez. This stuff is strong. Even with the N95, you can still like breathe it in. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this up real quick so I can concentrate and don't have to talk before, you know, I die out here. So I'll hit you guys back up. Something else I just wanted to add, I hope my family doesn't get mad at me for showing off our garage in this state. Please do cross ventilation. You want to have cross ventilation because just with the garage door open, I felt like death. So, you know, please have 2 sources of air coming in and out. So I just finished that coat. So I'm gonna let that dry. So I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna figure out the measurements for the pegs that they'll be sitting on. Just removing the purses. So this is what it's looking like now over here from my past measurements. And I just have to take out all these screws and nails. I'll probably do the nails later because I have to find a hammer to pull that out. These screws I can actually get to right now. Got the little thingies up. Got them up. Trial and error, trial and error, trial and error. Don't want to talk about it. So here's the finished outcome, you guys. As you can see, I did finish up the edges, the raw edges of the wood with some floral washi tape because it made it look 10 times more prettier, 10 times more vintagier, and I hope you guys like it.